Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I got my kids for Easter this year. I had 3 kiddos, a boy that's 14 and 2 girls that are 5 and 3. I got all their stuff from the Dollar Tree and Walmart, so it's super affordable and budget friendly. I can't wait to show you guys what I got them, so let's go dive into their baskets. So the first basket that I'm going to show you guys is my son's basket, Josiah, who's 14 years old, and I got him a lot of things that he loves to eat and snack on. So the one item that's not from Dollar Tree or Walmart is this locker room jet sign. I got this actually from the Christmas tree shop. It was on sale for $4 and it's gonna go perfect for his room. The next item that I got him is this word search that I got from the Dollar Tree just for $1, and he loves doing activities in the car, especially when there's no electronics around. I got him some Pringles from Walmart, which was like about $1.50. Josiah loves snacking on popcorn, especially when we're watching movies, so I got him these 2 little tins from Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. And I also got him some microwave popcorn to go with it. If you know Josiah, he loves Gatorade, so I got him this Gatorade for $1 at Walmart. Some Nutella to go, which I got at Walmart for just $1. Some of his favorite candy, Reese's Pieces, which was just $1 at Walmart. This really fun candy bar, which was at Walmart for just $1. Some gum that I got from the Dollar Tree just for $1. And then of course, to go with all the snack and candy, a new toothbrush. And I got this basket from the Dollar Tree for just $1, and I think he could use this right after Easter to organize some of his stuff in his room, and I also didn't think it looked too kiddie-ish, so I thought he would enjoy it. The next Easter basket I'm going to show you guys is for my daughter Isabella, who's 5 years old. So the one item that's not from Dollar Tree or Walmart is this umbrella, and I actually got this at Aldi's for $4.99, which I thought was a great deal, and I know the girls are going to love this. I got the girls a lot of arts and crafts stuff just because they love to color and paint, and they're always bugging me to do a new activity with them, so this is going to be perfect for them for this year. The next item that I got Bella is this neat paint set that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I thought this was just perfect for a basket. It has all the cute little unicorns and princess pictures, and it has 9 pictures that comes with this. I also got this really nice book from the Dollar Tree, and you guys can even tell that it's from there because it's such good quality, and the pages here are just really nice, and I love everything about this book, and I thought this would just be perfect for her. Bella's really into reading right now, and she's loving all the new sight words that she's learning in school, so I thought this book was just so cute, and for $1 I couldn't pass it. And the next items that I got her are for coloring, and I found this big jumbo LOL coloring book at Walmart for 97 cents, which I thought was a great deal, and she's just gonna love this to add to her coloring collection. And I also got her this giant coloring book as well too. And like I said, Bella goes through coloring so fast. She loves coloring pages, and every day she just wants to color and draw, so this is just perfect. The next item that I got Bella are these dream catchers that I found at Dollar Tree, and she's so into Disney right now and painting. Every day she just wants to paint, so I thought this activity would be so much fun for her. Also from the Dollar Tree, I found this neat tape dispenser that looks like a donut, and Bella's favorite thing at Dunkin' Donuts are donuts, and she's so into taping everything right now. Every single time we're running out of tape, and she's always asking, Mom, can we tape this, can we tape that? So I thought this would just be a fun way to tape things. I also found this neat ceramic painting set at Dollar Tree, and there's a little egg here that she can paint. I thought this would just be perfect for Easter. She's so into doing so many crafts and activities, so I know she's gonna enjoy this too. I also found these Disney Princess press-on nails, and Bella's really been into painting her nails and playing salon, so I know she's gonna have fun doing this too. And the last thing that I got at Dollar Tree is a Shopkins toothbrush, and we're always changing her toothbrushes like every couple months, so I know she's gonna love this one. So Walmart has this neat section of Easter items that everything's just $1, and this is where I found all this stuff from. I got her this neat pen that has different scents, and it's different colors. I know she's gonna love this. I know she's gonna wanna smell every color that they have, so I'm so excited to show her this. I also found this little sticker book too that they had there, and you guys can decorate your character. They have little faces and little outfits here and hats, and they have little characters that you guys can decorate, so I thought this would be fun as well. And of course, every Easter basket needs bubbles. I know they're going to love using this, especially now that it's starting to get nice outside, so this is definitely going to be fun for them. I also found a 2-pack of nail polish just for $1, and I thought this would just be perfect to go over her little salon days, so we're definitely going to be using this. And the last items in her baskets are some sweets, and I got her these chocolate M&Ms that are Easter inspired. I know she's just gonna love these. And I also got her this little Kinder Joy egg. I guess there's like a little prize in here. This is my first time buying one of these for her, so I'm not sure what's inside, but we're both really excited to see what's in there. So the last Easter basket is for my daughter Melanie, who's 3 years old, and she basically got a lot of the same things that Isabella's got. As you guys can see, their basket looks very similar. So I got Melanie the same umbrella as I did for Bella from Aldi's, and I know she's gonna love this. She's so into Disney Princess, and I realized lately if I get them the same things, they're less to fight, so I know that I'm gonna be winning on this and getting them both the same exact umbrella, so I can't wait for them to use this spring. I also got Melanie the same painting set that I did for Bella at the Dollar Tree, and I know they're both gonna have a blast together doing these fun activities. And also from the Dollar Tree, I also got Melanie a book. It's not the same book as Bella, but I know she's gonna love this. She's so into monkeys, and like I said, the quality of this book is just so amazing, you guys. The pages are beautiful, and the artwork here is lovely. And like I said, you guys can't even tell that this is from the Dollar Tree, so I know she's gonna love reading this at night before we go to bed. And just like her big sister, she's also into LOL, so I got her the same coloring book from Walmart for 97 cents, and she's just gonna have a blast coloring all these pages. And if you know Melanie, she loves, loves, loves Frozen, so I got her this coloring book with a lot of activities here, so she's also going to enjoy doing this as well. I also got Melanie the same ceramic painting set, except hers is a little penguin, Bella had the little egg, and again, they're both just going to have so much fun painting this. I also got Melanie the same dream catcher that I got from Dollar Tree for Bella, except she has different princesses on it, so I know she's just going to love doing this. Also from Dollar Tree, I got this neat tape dispenser, shape of a donut. Bella has the same one except hers is purple and Melanie's is pink. The Dollar Tree also had these little press-on nails, Disney inspired. I know they're both just gonna have so much fun pampering themselves. I'm thinking of doing like a little spa day where we all do our nails together, so I can't wait to do this with them. And the last item that I got from Dollar Tree is this Shopkins toothbrush. I got the same one for Bella, so they both won't fight. And from Walmart, I got her this Easter bunny one just for $1. I also got her the same pen that I got for Isabella from Walmart that had 10 different scents with all these different colors, and she's going to have so much fun using this. She also is going to get the same sticker book that I got for Isabella that has different stickers that you guys can create your different characters with different faces. She's also getting the same nail polish that Bella's getting as well, except hers is pink and shiny, and again, they're 2 for $1 at Walmart. And last, she's also going to get the chocolate M&Ms, and I got this from Walmart for $1. And she's been bugging to get one of these for the longest time, and I'm finally gonna get her one, these little Kinder Joy eggs. And in case if you're wondering, I did get their Easter baskets last year for just $1 at Walmart. Well, that is my Easter basket haul and everything I got my kids for Easter 2019. I hope you guys found this video helpful and were able to get some affordable and budget-friendly ideas. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. It's totally free. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!